Hey guys, this is Kelvin. I'm the founder of the carreviewandcare.com. Back then, carreviewandcare.com started as an automotive blogs, and now it's been transformed to the new versions of e-commerce platforms that connect the car enthusiasts and also the specialist car workshops around that area. So currently we focus on Penang and also KL area. So that's how the things works. Currently we focus on body kits, we focus on soundproof, we focus on sound dampenings, we focus on tint. So when users go to our e-platform website, they can select the category. They can select the body kits, they can select soundproof, they can select sound dampenings or even tint, and then they choose the desired car. For example, let's say they drive Vios like me and they choose the body kit that they want, and then they select the areas and they make a purchase, and after that user can straight away drive car to the workshops and get the installation done according to the area where they have selected. And we make sure that the services is excellent and they provide warranty services as well, so user will not able to get conned by the normal car accessory workshops or even get a hidden fee or extra charges. So guys, if you have any questions that you wanted to ask me about or what carreviewandcare.com is all about, to drop by below comments or even private message me or even email me. I will reply to you as soon as possible. See you guys.